Greetings, I am Speaker Jermaine, the CEO and the founder of Harmony Herb Company, where our slogan is, invest in your health and your body shall receive the wealth. Today I would like to talk about the weight loss secrets. Now you ask yourself, what is the weight loss secrets? And there's so many different weight loss programs and formulas and classes that are out there. But what I'm going to talk about today is not necessarily a secret. It's just basically things that people may not be aware of. Insight number one. Did you know that your body is a reflection of your state of awareness? That every extra pound of weight that's on your body right now is an indication of how you're not loving yourself. The secret and the power to lose weight is for you to research your passion. When you do what you love to do, your soul dances in an effortless expression of life itself. Weight connects to our inability to live fully in the present moment. Oftentimes we eat when we're happy, when we're sad, and we're eating foods that do not reflect the higher state of our awareness. We're eating food that's void of oxygen, water, and minerals. We're consuming foods that make us feel good, but it's not good to the cells of our body. So secret number one is to identify your passion. Number two is to eat your heaviest meal between 11 and 2 p.m. Why? It's when the sun appears to be at its zenith. It's when you have an opportunity to be outside to consume a larger meal. And make sure that when you consume this meal, that you're in a happy state of mind. Did you know that science has confirmed that when you meditate 10 to 15 minutes before you consume food, that the body produces more digestive enzymes? And that's critical for the absorption, because the purpose of consuming food is that the food is not just supposed to be good to you, but the food is supposed to be good for you, which means that your cells, every part of your body benefits when you're consuming this food. So eat the largest meal between 11 and 2. Next insight. At nighttime before you go to bed, that's when the body stores all of its energy so that the liver can begin its process of detoxification. So at Harmony Herb Company, we have a special detox package that has all of the essential herbs, a meal plan, and a one-on-one consultation with me once a week to guide you through this process. Because as we go into the next insight, it's based upon this. When you're able to have discipline within your diet, you're able to hit your goals. You can't do better until you know better. Knowledge is a prerequisite of change, but the change is an inside job. The accountability partner is a person that will say, now the goal for this week is to consume a half a gallon of water each day. The goal for this week is to make sure that you're eating a rainbow diet, plant-based and oxygen-based food. The goal for this week is to make sure that you're removing all of the 5 white deadlies out of your diet. The goal for this week is that you're going to exercise. The goal for this week is that we're going to make sure that we are measuring your meals in proportion to what's in the best interest for who you say you are and where you want to go. An accountability partner. Discipline within the diet. The last insight in regards to weight loss is to fully love yourself, is to have an individual perspective about who you are in relationship to your sacred space, not comparing yourself to anyone else, but to realize that everyone cannot be very, very thin. Every person cannot be anorexic looking, so to speak. So the picture of beauty and the way that you're loving yourself is an indication of how you're living with yourself. This is your home, and it's sacred, it's beautiful, it's special. So you want to have a moderation in all things that you do. Consuming food is a spiritual and a sacred opportunity for you to connect with your higher self, because it is a fuel for your body, and your body is your vehicle to travel to hit all the goals in life and represent a higher way of thinking and being. Listen, I want you right now to go to harmonyherbcompany.com, and I want you to register, and you will receive monthly newsletters for free. Free training I want you to register right now. Share this video with your family members, with your friends. Go to HarmonyHerbCompany.com as well. If you like this video, and I hope that you do, please subscribe right down here at the link below and share this with your family and your friends. I am Speaker Jermaine, and I am at my best. Peace and blessings.